sa atin. Hello to all the subscribers of YouTubers and followers of Star Maker. Thank you po. Thank you for listening or watching. God bless all of you. Talking to myself, feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to be hanging around. Nothing to do but run. Really, this mind is always get me down. When I got big used to call me blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking